Hey guys, so I forgot to do or give you guys the room tour of the villa. We're staying at the Westgate Villa Resort. Um, Let me just do that real quick. Bear in mind, we've been here for 2 days already, and so things are messy. So, hey, things are a bit messy, so just ignore that. I want you guys to see the space here. So this is the entrance right here. I'm standing at the entrance. So once you enter, this is what you see. If I could get all the lights on. Let's see, hold on. So yeah, when you enter, you enter into a vast kitchen and living area. But I'll take you along. To my left, right here, is the first room, which is the kids' bedroom. Like I said, things are a bit messy. We've been here for 2 days already. So that's the 2 bed for the boys. And they have a TV and a dresser chest in their room. It's a huge room. It has two, I believe, full or queen size beds. So it's big with a TV and then the dresser chest right here. There's a closet right here with the mirror on the closet door. There's a full size closet in here. And then right here is their bathroom. It's ensuite. So that's their room, that's the bathroom. And yeah, that's the bathroom. It's a full bathroom. They have the bath with a glass enclosed shower or door. And then right here is I'm not looking too clean, but hey guys, that's me. So that's their vanity, and that's the toilet storeroom right there. That's their vanity right here. There's another door right here that leads to the living area from their bathroom, but I'll go through the bedroom again. And that's the door I just showed you from inside. This is the outside part. So to my right is the kitchen. I took them swimming earlier, so they have their floaters and stuff right here. That's the kitchen. It's a full kitchen with fridge, microwave, stove, blender, toaster, coffee maker, dishwasher, washer and dryer in this side. So it's huge. It's a very big full kitchen right there. And so there's a closet right here for whatever, maybe coat closet. Yeah. Where's the light? I don't know where you turn the light on. Is that this right here? Oh, yeah. Sorry. So there's a coat closet right here. And then there's a nook, breakfast nook right here for breakfast whilst you cook or whatever. And then there's a whole dining area right here. There's a mini bar station right here with a sink and everything. And then here's the living space. Let me open the blinds. cannot work this thing. But yeah, that's the living area with a TV right here. And then we have a balcony. We have a balcony. It's a screened balcony, so you don't have any mosquitoes or bugs bothering you. But there's a door right here that you can get outside to the little park right there, and the pool area back there. That's the pool area right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right there. So that's the pool area, the little park for the kids to play beach ball, I believe. Beach basketball, beach volleyball right there. So yeah, that's the villa right here. And this sliding door leads to the master bedroom right here, which I'll show you in view. But that's the balcony. It's a huge balcony. Very big. Very big. Let's go inside. Yes. So coming back inside, this is the area that I've showed. All right, guys. So this is the master. Like I said, we've been here for 2 days already, so it's a bit messy. And that's the outdoor living that I was showing you guys just a few minutes ago. There's a huge jacuzzi bathtub right here. Very huge. It can fit the whole family. Very, very big. And then there's a shower stall right here. And then there's vanity right here. And then the toilet right here. So this is it, guys. This is it. Oh, and there's a closet right here. This is a closet. This is a closet right here with our suitcases and stuff. So that is it, guys.